Good day. We have new tutorial about how to set up Nightbot in the live chat. So in the live stream, very simple. So we will go to the Nightbot, click the Google Chrome, and when you're here, so click the login with YouTube. So you will choose the YouTube account. Pastir, click login plus pastir. Okay, so when you click the login, my internet is very slow. Oh, Ate JHULS vlog has a live stream. Okay, so select the account you want to create a Nightbot. Sorry because internet very slow. Okay, so we have now a white screen. So that is the part of the process. Come on, slow internet. It's more fun in the Philippines. Okay, so it is automatically selected. Wait for it. Now white background again. Very slow internet connection. Sorry about that, my friend. But just enjoy the show. Enjoy the tutorial and just follow. Oh man, my goodness. Okay, so just press the allow. Faster, press now. Press the allow. Now na. Okay, just wait for it. Okay, so we are now in our dashboard on our Nightbot. So we'll click the join channel. Click the join channel, please. And if you see that, just copy the red highlight in the number 2. Just copy the red text just like that one. Copy and go to your, after you copy the red highlighted text, go to your YouTube account. Not in the application, but in the web. Oh my goodness. Shift from Wi-Fi to dito. Excuse me po. Okay. So now loading. It's part of the process. Just wait a minute. And the lower left, you see the just like a gear icon in the lower left. Just click that. Click the circle or a gear icon in the lower left near the blinking logo. Just click that one. Just follow the steps. Okay, so proceed to the community. You go to the community. Go faster, please. Our audience are waiting. Okay, that to paste the text just like one. Then click the Nightbot in the lower of the text. So then after that you click Nightbot, then you will click the save. Then wait for the loading until it is saved. Now when it is saved, go to the Nightbot channel in the dashboard. So in the commands and custom, just click the add command. No, not that one. Okay, that one. Just click the add command. Then add a command when you want to drop the link in your live stream. So just like this one. I want to drop Amboy Obrero. So I put the name of Amboy. So that is the the one that you will type in order to his link will be dropped by Nightbot. Then go to the channel, then copy the link of the channel, just one, copy the link, then go back to the Nightbot. Then in the message box, you can type anything you want, but just follow mine. Then after you will decide what will text, what you put in the text box. Okay, just like that. Please connect to the Amboy Obrero. Then paste the channel link. Then after paste the channel link, you don't touch anything except the save or the submit button. Okay, the command is Amboy, and you have written the please connect to Amboy Obrero and paste the channel link. And now if you're finished, do not touch anything, do not edit anything, just click the submit button. Please click submit button now. Okay, so that one, Amboy Obrero's command is already saved. You have to add another channel. You just click the add command. Yeah, just click the add command. I said just click the add command. Okay, so I want to add the JHULS blog. I want to add JHULS blog, so I will put command JHULS and please connect to JHULS blog in the message. Then go to the JHULS blog channel, then copy the link of the channel of the JHULS blog. Oh man, JHULS blog has a live stream now. Just wait a minute. Okay, just copy the and click the three dots and just copy the link and back to the Nightbot and paste the link of JHULS blog channel, and do not edit anything else but click the submit button. Okay, so JHULS blog and Amboy Obrero is ready. When I will have the what do we call it, this one, a live stream. So their channel will Nightbot will be the one who will drop the channel of these two good friend of mine. Okay, so that's all. Then if you have something to add, then click the add command and so on and so forth. If you are new in my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to all para laging updated sa aking channel. Uy, lain mag-inistoryahan. Keep safe. God bless. Bye-bye.